All right, and we're back with the pre-market pulse wave report for trading on Sunday, December the 4th, 2022, jumping right into things. Taking a look at how gold finished the week out, you'll notice that we have a crash alert here for Sunday night into Monday's trading. And the market also is showing signs of becoming neutralized up here at these prices as well. So we would do well to note this. This is also a bearish pointer that was done on Friday, as you can see here. So the market is still, for now, in a in a bear market rally position, but it looks like it could be ending right here, right now. The top of the Kumo cloud back down to 1700 would be the initial target on the downside move. Taking a look at silver, silver has now flipped the script and has become more bullish than gold. The door is flung wide open for a continuation rally to start the week off in silver as we hit a new weekly high. And the market is at the $23 handle, which is pretty powerful. Silver cannot be denied at this point. The bulls are truly in control of that market. Taking a look at the Dow Jones. All right, and you can see here this ticker DIA, which is the Dow Jones ETF that tracks the Dow Jones futures. We have a crash alert. This is back-to-back crash alerts coming in the Dow. Chances are, top of the Kumo cloud back down here to $315 a share is now in play as the bears have taken control of the market. Next up, we have the Russell. This is ticker IWM. And this is a very interesting one because this market has been neutralized. All right, totally neutralized. And what happens when you see this condition, you have an equilibrium with both the bulls and the bears duking it out. And in doing so, it is pretty much muted the market. So you're going to get crash alerts, and then the market flips, and then it tries to break out, and then it falls back down. So it's starting to consolidate up here above the Kumo cloud. But we can't ignore the crash alert either. So the market's starting to show signs of possible flip-flopping and sideways action. Very difficult to read at this point. That's why you need the reports that specifically tell you how to address these type of market situations and conditions. Next up is crude oil. We'll look at ticker OIH, which tracks pretty well with the crude oil futures. The bears are still in control of this market, although price action has been consolidating up here. All right, you got neutralization taking place, but still with a bearish bias in a bull market. All right, the bull market position has not changed, but the momentum in the market has, which means that at any point in time, the market can relock in to the upside. But for now, we got caution and buying at this particular point because of the crash alerts and because of the bearish momentum. Taking a look now at the NASDAQ 100 by way of ticker QQQ, which is the NASDAQ 100 ETF. You will notice that we have a crash alert also for Monday's trading. We stopped short at the top of the Kumo cloud, but the bearish positions are starting to accumulate at this particular price level. You also have the gap down here that was made the week of November the 10th. Therefore, at minimum, we have to at least come down here and fill this gap. All right, next up we got the S&P 500 by way of ticker SPY. All right, so you can see here this also has a crash alert for Monday's trading. The gap that was created the week of November the 10th still has not been back and filled yet, so that would be our initial targets on any downside move. Next up, we have bonds by way of ticker TLT that tracks the long bond. And you can see here that the market is in a breakout mode, got above the Kumo cloud. So the door is wide open for a run up to the next resistance point, which is around $120 a share. All right. So that is the upside target here, the next target for this market. The first target being the bottom of the Kumo cloud, second target being the top. That has now been completed. So now the next stage is to get up to here. Just remember, this is a bear market rally, which means that at any point in time, the bears can take over and the market can relock in back down to the downside, at which point the bear market rally or this leg of it would be coming to an end. All right, next up, we have the US dollar. All right, and we're going to look at the US dollar by way of ticker UUP. You can see here where this market topped out back here on the week of September the 28th, and it's been all downhill ever since. The bears are in complete control of this market. This is a sell-off or correction in a bull market, okay? The bull market is correcting. And I don't see any end in sight in that situation. All right, taking a look now at Bitcoin by way of the Bitcoin futures, and you can see here the market is still flatlined, even though the bulls are keeping the market floating at this level, keeping it elevated. The bears have not been able to come in and beat it down, and that's because you're range bound. But you're not locked into the neutral position. You're just range bound below the Kumo cloud. And it looks like this is going to continue for the foreseeable future. Similar story happening also in Ethereum. We'll look at Ethereum by way of the Ethereum futures. And you can see here, this market tried to rally up. You had that rally alert back here. It got to the bottom of the Kumo cloud. And now it's running out of steam. I think 1400 is the upside initial target here, where the market will face a key resistance zone at the bottom of the Kumo cloud. Next up, we have, let's go to the euro, because we talked about the dollar. Now let's talk about the euro. As you can see, the upside potential is wide open. You don't start to see major resistance zones until the 117 handle. We're at 105. So you have a monster of a bear market rally potential built into this particular move. So as long as prices can stay above the Kumo cloud and stay in this mode, the bulls are in complete control of the euro. Even in this situation being a bear market, this is a bear market rally, but the bulls are in control for now. All right, next up is the pound sterling. The pound sterling is a similar situation as the euro. Upside on this one is not until you start hitting the 135 level. So you got a lot of upside potential. This market's wide open. This is a pretty decent bear market rally as well. Bulls are in control. All right, and here is Link or Chain Link. All right, and you can see that this one has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as well. Taking a look at, let me find it here. All right, here we go. XRP Ripple. All right, this is XRP Ripple. And this one has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as well. And last but not least, this is Litecoin. Litecoin also has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as well. All right, folks. So looks like we have some interesting developments coming up in these markets. Do or die. Are we going to rally, or is the market going to start to fall apart? Well, that's where the power of the pulse waves come in. If you go to PulseWaveTrading.com, you can get your hands on the very powerful PulseWave reports, which map out and tell you exactly how to handle the markets that you're looking to trade in. So don't go it alone. And right now we have a 14-day free trial. If you go to PulseWaveTrading.com, take the 14-day free trial free of charge, see how much money you can make trading alongside our signals. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Don't forget to smash the like button. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.